Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync or unsync only specific folders in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft OneDrive app, which you'll find on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Click on it to open your OneDrive interface. Once the small OneDrive window appears, direct your attention to the top right part of this window where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. The settings menu is where you can control all aspects of how OneDrive operates on your computer, including which folders you want to keep synced with the cloud. Now, to sync or unsync only specific folders in OneDrive, look at your settings menu and click on Sync and Backup from your left navigation menu. This section gives you complete control over what content from your OneDrive account stays synchronized with your local computer storage. After clicking on Sync and Backup, you'll see a button labeled Manage Backup. Click on it and a list of folders will appear on your screen. These folders represent the content that's currently synced between your OneDrive cloud storage and your local disk storage. This is where you have the power to decide exactly which folders should take up space on your computer and which ones should remain only in the cloud. Now from here, simply toggle the folders you wish to sync or unsync with your computer and Microsoft OneDrive. Each folder will have its own toggle button next to it, making it easy to select or deselect specific folders based on your needs. This feature is particularly useful if you're running low on local storage space or if you only need quick access to certain folders while keeping others stored safely in the cloud. Once you've made your selections and decided which folders should be synced and which shouldn't, click on Save Changes to apply your preferences. The best part is you can switch these folder settings anytime you want by simply returning to this menu and adjusting the toggle button from Enable or Disable Sync, giving you complete flexibility over your storage management. And that's it. You now have full control over which OneDrive folders sync to your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.